do, I'm like 90% sure that these guys will drop soon. Do you see how they're both not curled up anymore, but they're almost flat on their backs? We still have one more stage to go. Ooh, before dropping down completely. Up. Maybe we'll get lucky and we'll see them both. That will be so freaking cool. This is like the perfect thing. Alright. I had to make a separate video. Because since it was front facing, I couldn't figure out how to get it to not too complicated. So, but you see how they're both, their antennas are completely down and they're almost all the way down. They only have a little bit left to go before the final stage. And these two are our last caterpillars, unless we find more. We can find them, it's still August, so we can find them pretty much all the way up until October. But so far, all our butterflies have been female. The only male one we had is this poor guy over here, who is never gonna fly, but is surprisingly still awake, alive. Alright, so I'm gonna pause it until something happens. I'll see you quite possibly in a few minutes. Maybe. Alright. Something's happening. It's like they know they're being watched and they purposely don't do anything. Because they know they're being watched. The joiks. I know the tank is messy. I know it. He's like almost dropped. That guy. Come on, guys. There we go. I think something might be happening. Come on, baby. Alright, let's make it or break it time. Either way, I'm going to put this up because these are the last two caterpillars, and I want to show you guys what it looks like when a caterpillar is going to make it and when it doesn't make it. So, probably. So, regardless of whether or not these two make it, I'm still going to put this up here. It's for educational purposes, but I really, really hope they make it. Oh, that guy's trying. Here he goes. Come on. Yes. There he goes. You can see his little head split open. So far, so good. But we're not in the clear yet. Oh, there you go, baby. Watching this happen, like every single time I've seen it happen, it's always been a miracle to me. Just to be able to watch it. And this one seems to be going pretty good. See, you can see the little head. And if that one started while we were still watching this, that'd be cool. That's like a double feature right there. There he goes. Every single time I watch this, it's like a miracle. I said that already, I'm sorry. I'm just excited. Alright, I'll shut up now. I don't want to tell anybody. Don't ruin my light. Come on, you got this, dude. Got it. He's still doing pretty good there. And Charlie is out there. That makes me so happy. Well, I think this one's gonna turn. There he goes, he's wiggling. Looks like a sleeping bag. So cool. You got this, dude. Oh, that makes me so happy. I was worried about that one. And then he turned right as I started getting worried about him. And then he's gonna wiggle. And then he's gonna tie he's gonna tie his back legs off. That's so funny to watch. My foot is asleep. That's my parents in the background. Come on.
Oh, this is high fiber.
Ouch. Okay, I need to switch my arms because that one's starting to hurt. I still can't get over how much like a sleeping bag it looks like. It's ridiculous. I'm surprised that guy's not getting beat in the face. Hello, Charlie. I feel like if I leave for a second, then I'll miss the other one.
Regular bread.
one. This is a long video. Yay! He's gonna tie himself up. Sounds dirty. And he's in. And then let's see this guy. You can still see him wiggling. He's gotta scooch his little booty up.
Look at me. It's like I'm on fire. It's terrible.
I don't know if that guy's gonna turn. Alright, I'm gonna pause this really quick so I don't make it really super duper long. Hummingbird. A hummingbird outside. He's dying. Aw. Alright. The video is going to be real long. Hopefully this guy will turn in the next couple of minutes. Right, I'm going to pause it until I know for sure. But I'll be back. I know this is supposed to be about the butterflies, but there's hummingbird out here. So I'm going to try and show you. There's still no change, but I wanted to show everybody. Oh. Well, never mind. I just wanted to show everyone that. But this guy is still working on his thing. Here we are again. Hi. See, if I just keep it on there long enough, he'll show up. Somewhere. Alright. I'm not so sure how much more videotape this has, but I thought I saw something. Here we go. I think this could be it. Nope. False alarm again, I think. Wait a couple more minutes. Damn it.
Really?
Yep. See, he's got a little green. Right there it's happening.
Oh, schmutz.
I'm not sure how much longer I can videotape, so I'm just gonna let it run out.
I gotta finish drinking water.
But I really sincerely hope that I get this whole entire thing. Whether or not he's gonna turn, that's up to him. But as always, I'm gonna post it, so we'll find out either way. And I'm calling this my major nature vlog. Come on, guy. See, he's struggling. Maybe he can't do it. He's really trying. I believe in you. Uh-oh, I don't think this one's gonna go. He might surprise me though. So far, this is what he looks like. Sorry for all the blurry. Stop. Oh yeah. I don't think this one's gonna make it. See, how I can normally tell is by their butt. If this thing would focus, that'd be great. See? I don't know. He might surprise me, but normally it doesn't take them this long. But oh, maybe he is doing it. Look, and that one's still wiggling. Come on, guy. I'm gonna pause it. Oh, wait, no, maybe I don't have to pause it. Oh, his face isn't even going. It's just the back of his head. See, this is what is wrong. You saw how this one only took a few minutes, but this one is still, it's not turning out too great for him. And this guy, he's got the weirdest wings, but he's still holding on. So, go frickin' figure, right? What is up with that nature? You can normally tell after a few minutes of struggling whether or not somebody's gonna make it. If I'm not sure when this thing is gonna cut me off, but if no, come on, focus. Here we go. We got more. Nope. It just looked bigger because it. Oh. What is this? Come on, guy. He's still struggling. I don't know if this one's gonna make it. But see where his butt is hanging? Normally, if somebody's not gonna make it, their butt starts to turn black.
Is his butt turning black?
No, he's getting more out. Yay!
Hey!
It looks like he's getting more out.
Oh.
Come on, guy. Come on. It might cut me off in a couple of minutes. I don't know.
God, the anxiety is unbelievable.
I know. If and when this does cut me off,
Is what is coming off?
I got my other video
Was it
camera.
his pants?
No, Mom.